Understanding, complement the dish, enhancing your culinary vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that combines culinary arts with language learning. We're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, complement the dish. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's about enriching your English vocabulary and understanding how certain words can enhance the way we talk about food. So, let's get started and find out how we can use this phrase to spice up our language skills. When we say something complements the dish, we're talking about an item or ingredient that enhances or improves the taste, appearance, or overall experience of eating a particular dish. It's all about adding value and making the dish more enjoyable. For instance, adding a sprinkle of fresh herbs might bring out the flavors of a soup, or a side of crispy potatoes could perfectly balance the richness of a meaty main course. The key here is harmony and balance, where each component supports and elevates the others. To truly grasp the concept, let's look at some classic examples of how ingredients or sides can complement a dish. Acidic components like lemon juice or vinegar can cut through the richness of oily fish or fatty meats, creating a balanced flavor profile. A crunchy salad can add freshness and texture contrast to a creamy pasta dish, enhancing its appeal. A dollop of sour cream on a spicy taco can temper the heat, making the dish more complex and enjoyable. These examples illustrate the principle of complementing in action, showing how thoughtful additions can transform a meal. Now that we understand what it means to complement the dish, let's practice using this phrase in sentences. This will help you incorporate it into your English conversations about food. The garlic bread complements the dish by adding a crunchy texture to the pasta. To complement the dish, the chef suggests a glass of chilled white wine, which enhances the flavors of the seafood. Choosing a side that complements the dish can turn a simple meal into a memorable dining experience. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a relationship of enhancement and improvement between different food elements. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, complement the dish. Remember, learning English is like cooking. It's all about mixing the right ingredients to create something beautiful and enjoyable. We hope this video has added a new flavor to your English vocabulary and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your culinary conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tasty tidbits of language learning in our next video.